Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly, everyone. Just a very quick yes or no, please. Just a very quick yes or no, please. I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. Sir, first of all, we'll see the this week's live mock solutions as always. It will hardly take half an hour. So let's start with the first question. Let us start with the first question. So what is given over here? A shopkeeper make an item 50% above CP and gives a discount of this profit percentage. So I can use AB theorem. 50 plus discount meaning minus, plus minus minus by 100, sir. This is 2, this is 7, sir. So 21 gone up from 50, that is 29%. Option D is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Very simple, couple of lines, sir. Couple of lines only. First question, done, understood. Next one, sir. Length is increased, breadth is decreased. Sir, again AB theorem, sir. Plus 40 minus 35 plus minus 35 into 40 by 100, sir. Double zero gone, 2, 2, 2, 5, 7, so this, so 14. 40 minus 14 will be, sir, 49. So minus 9%. So the area will decrease by 9%. Option number A is your correct answer, sir. Very simple stuff. Option number A is most definitely your correct answer. Next one, please, sir. Again, this is a one-liner. So 274, 274, 274. My answer will be 274 by 999. Because this, if you write, it will be 0.274 whole bar. So 2749, sorry, option D is the answer, sir. Option D is the answer. Clear, everyone? Very simple stuff. Next one, please, sir. Two similar triangles given ABC, DEF. AB is to BC. Acha. Let's say this is ABC, sir, and this is DEF. Sir, AB is to BC is 2 is to 3. So this will also be 2 is to 3, sir. DE is to EF. DE is this much. So the, again, this is given as 36. So three parts will be 18 2s, 18 3s, 54. So just use 2 is to 3 ratio. Option A again is your correct answer. Option A again is 100% your correct answer. Very simple. Very simple stuff, sir. Again, next one, sir. Polygon 44 diagonals, sir. N into n minus 3 by 2 is the number of diagonals of any n-sided polygon. So again, n into n minus 3. It is 88, sir. Put down the values from here. Sir, I can see 11. If I put 11 into 11 minus 3, 8 is this. So option B is the correct answer. Option B, 100%. E is your correct answer, sir. You don't need to worry too much about that. Very simple. Again, all the questions so far were pretty simple. Next one, sir. Average weight of 36 boxes is this. 2 boxes weighting this replaced by acha, sir. Find the deviation. So again, here I'll subtract 40 kg and I've added 64 kg. So net deviation. Deviation is how much, sir? Plus 24 kg, sir. Correct? Plus 24 kg. Now this deviation will get equally distributed among all the boxes. So my average will be 25 plus 24 out of this. So this is 2 by 3, sir. 25.67. Sir, option number A once again is your correct answer. Option number A once again is your correct answer. Again, don't try to do total, then total, and do all those things. It will take much time. Much more time than this. Cot into cot, acha, that means that for next line, cot 2a, next line this will go this side, that means tan 3a, sir. 1 by cot is tan. Sir, it is also complementary angles. So meaning 2a plus 3a must be equal to 90. So A is 18 degrees, sir. A is 18 degree. Option C for Calcutta is your correct answer. Option C is your correct answer. Simple thing. So very simple stuff. Next one, please, sir. Chalo, next question, let's see. A tank can be filled by three pipes, 10, 15, this. D is the fourth pipe which can empty. Okay, sir, chalo, first A, B, C, and D. So again, this will be, sir, 10 hours, time ratio 10, 15, 20, 12. So efficiency ratio will be opposite. So multiplication of these two, 180, 360, and a 0. Then again, sir, 10, 20, this. So 24, 2400, sir. Then comes, sir, 15, 12, 180, 1800, sir. I'm writing the like the inverse ratio. Then comes, sir, 300, 3000. Now get rid of whatever you can. Double zero I can cancel from everything. 3 also I can cancel. 3 6 are this. Is to 3 10s are this. Again another 2 also I can cancel. 6 4 3 5. That's the efficiency ratio. Remember this is negative, sir. Because D is an outlet pipe. D is an outlet pipe. Right? Acha. This is 3, huh? This is 3. Some might not be able to see it. Now, everyone. All 4 pipes are open together at this. So first of all, total volume, let's figure out. I'm doing it by A. A can fill 6 liters, takes 10 hours. So 60 liters is the total volume, sir. Now, total volume, who will now fill it? All 4 together. These 3 together, 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. But again, 5 is minus. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Right? So again, this will be, sir, 415 by 2, sir. 7.5 minutes, hours. Meaning 7 hour 30 minutes. Option B is your correct answer. Option B is your correct answer. They have just introduced a 4th pipe to make the calculations a little bit on the lengthier side. That's all, sir. Again, A cube, B cube, C cube formula, sir. Sir, I told you this thing. I don't know. I know a formula for this. I'm not the one who asks you to remember all the formulas. If you remember the basic one, that is sufficient. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. Right? Now, what do I don't know? I don't know the value of x square plus y square plus z square. You see, x plus y plus z I know, x, y, y, z, zx also I know. So, how to calculate that? I'll calculate from here. X square plus y square plus z square. Again, I've squared both sides. So, this is going to be 225 minus twice of x, y, y, z, zx, which is 74. So 225 minus 148, right? So 50, 75, 77 if I'm not wrong. Just put down the values, sir. Acha, not exactly put down the values. This value is given to you as 405 minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z is 15 into, sir, x square plus y square plus z square is 77 minus 74, which is 3, sir. Let's calculate. 3 I can cancel. 3 13s at this, 3 5s at this. So again, xyz then will be 120, sir. That's your correct answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B, this is most definitely your correct answer. Again, couple of lines of calculation was there for this particular question. Next one, please, sir. From a circular sheet of paper, this 40% is removed. Remaining part is used to make a cone. Achha, sir, in this situation, radius becomes the slant height of the cone, sir. Because if you cut and then form it, roll it, sir, the length, this will become, sir, L. Achha, 40% gone, meaning 60% area is remaining. 3/5 of the area of radius this, meaning 22 by 7. Achha, pi I don't need to put. Options have pi in it. Pi into r square. So 545s of this. So 135 pi. That is the curved surface area of the cone, sir. Because I'll make the curved surface only. There is no flat bottom. So in this case, sir, I can say pi RL. R is 15 into, एक second. अच्छा, R is also 15. एक second, मैंने गलत कर दिया क्या कुछ? If I take this, L becomes, acha, no, sorry sir, not required, my mistake. Sir, this is the volume or this is the curved surface area of the cone, right? So they are asking us the volume, but there is a problem. R also there, L also there, that gives us a different value. They are kind of making the question in a different way, sir. They are not rolling it normally. Sir. I cannot take this as 15. The usual stuff I cannot use. I have to figure out the value of L. Chalo. Pi into R is 15, L is L, that is 135 pi. Okay. So they are not rolling it traditionally, they are doing it different. So L I can get as 9, sir. Achha. So volume. But how is this possible? Sir, something is wrong in this question. Something is not right, sir. Because L, how can L be less than R? R is 15, then how can L be this? Only one way possible, sir. There is a little, sir, we don't really know how they have kind of taken up this. How they have rolled it, that information is not given. So traditionally, sir, always remember this radius becomes the curved surface or slant height, sir. So in that case, now let's take R is different. R is different. So in that case, R will be 9. Pi R into L I am taking as 15 is 225. Sorry, 135. 135 pi. From there, R equal to 9. So this makes sense. This is 9, this is 15, so this must be 12, sir. Pythagorean triplet. So volume will be, sir, pi R square H. H will be 12, sir. So 81. अच्छा sorry, 1/3 लिखना मैं भूल गया. 3/4 of this. So 364 pi. 364, एक सेकंड मैंने गलत कर दिया क्या? 324 pi. 364 मैंने लिख दिया. 324 pi, option B is the answer. But they should have mentioned how they have rolled it. Otherwise, it will create confusion. I don't know. Sir, that's the reason this 39%, you see, accuracy. Because many people have not understood what they were asking, including me. Next one, sir. Either you can put values or you can calculate identities. What should I do? Let's calculate identities, sir. 2 by sine A plus cos A. I'll take everything into like sine cos. This is cos by sine. So this will be sine A minus cos A. And sir, by sine will go up. So it will be 2 sine square A plus. This will become, sir, sine A minus cos A, meaning cos A minus sine A. Into cos A will go up. So it will become 2 cos square A, sir. Sir, answer will be 4, as I can see. Sine A plus cos A. Sir, this will become this minus. I can common and take it here. So over here, I can write 2 into sine square A minus cos square A. And the denominator will be sine A minus cos A. So this cancels. So my answer will be 2 into 2, 4, sir. Sir, option B. You can put values as well, but again, looking at the data, now value putting will also need a little calculations. You cannot do it directly. So I chose not to put values and calculate normally. Sir, next one, please. Product of two consecutive natural numbers is always an even number, sir. Why? Sir, please understand, even number, what makes, so two consecutive numbers meaning one is odd and one is even. Now, what makes an even number? The factor 2. So once you multiply, so the multiplication will also have this factor of 2. So it will always be an even number. It will always be an even number, sir. Next one, please. Karthik and Lokesh invested this. Total profit at the end of the year is this. Lokesh received this much. Acha, sir. What is the profit ratio? Profit ratio, sir, Karthik is here and Lokesh is here. 23,400. So remaining will be 20, this 100 and 31, 200. This is the ratio. Chalo, let's calculate. 2 se sir, 156. 2 se sir, 11, 7. 19 to, 13 12s are this, 13 9s are this. So 4:3 is the ratio. So whatever investment Lokesh has done, Karthik invested this much. That is 4 parts. So Lokesh will invest 3 parts. 3 parts will be, sir, 104,000 by 4 into 3, sir. 444. 4 2s are 8. 428 is most likely. Or sorry, 426,000, sir. So this will be, sir, 78,000 will be the answer. Option number B. Option number B, 78,000 is most definitely your correct answer. Clear, everyone? Not difficult, just a little calculations. Vessel contains 96 liters, 70% volume, 16 liters removed, meaning 80 liters is remaining, sir. Sir, acid is to water is 75%, meaning 75, 25, meaning 3:1, sir. So over here, 3 parts is 60 liters, 2 parts is 20 liters. Now replacement happened. 16 liters of pure water I have added. So what will be the percentage of acid? Sir, acid is 60 liters out of 60 liters out of total, sir, 96 liters will remain 96 liters. Because 16 liters were gone, 80 liters were remaining, and sir, 60 liter acid, that has not changed. So 60 out of 96 into 100, sir. 6 tens, 6 16s. So 16 meaning, sir, 6.25, meaning 62.5%. So option number B is your correct answer. Option number B is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Again, a very simple question. Very, very, very simple question. Next one, please. Ahon and Karan started working at rate of this and this in the same direction. So same direction meaning relative speed will be, sir, 1/2 kilometer per hour, sir, minus this much apart, meaning, sir, 10.5 by, sir, this. So 21 hours, sir. And that is your correct answer, option D. Option D, 21 hours is 100% your correct answer. Simple again, sir. Very simple questions. Next one, please. What is the equation of the perpendicular bisector connecting these 2 points? Okay. Let's do one thing. So slope nikalo, because all 4 options I can see slopes are different. I'll only calculate slope. I'll not calculate the point. Slope here will be -7 minus 5 or 5 minus of -7, 12, whatever you want to calculate. By -3 minus 6, meaning -9. So -4/3. So slope of the other line will be, say, 3/4 negative reciprocal. Check it. Minus x by x coefficient by y coefficient is slope, sir. So minus of 6 by, sir, -8. So this is 3/4. This is my answer, sir. First option. Because slopes are matching. As I have seen, all the other slopes are different. Slopes different. How I'm thinking, x, y coefficient, sign, they are different, meaning slopes are also different. Right? So slope depends on only the coefficients of x and y. Train covers this much at this speed, 2 hours. Acha. What is the total time taken? Okay, so I was in the right track. 2 hours here. 50% reduction in speed. So this speed will become, sir, half, 30 kilometer per hour for the next 80 kilometers. So the answer will be 8 by 3. So 3 twos are 6, 14 by 3 into 20s, sorry, into 60, sir. 320s, so 280 minutes will be the answer. 280 minutes, option D will be your correct answer. Again, a 10-seconder, sir. You should not take more than 10 seconds to solve this. Next one, please, sir. Simple interest, 30%, 2 years. Compound, achha, sir, same. CI minus SI. PR square by 100%. R is how much? 30%. So 30 into 30 by 10,000. 10000. That is given as 450 rupees, sir. 1212. 339, 5s are this. So P is 5,000 rupees, sir. P is 5,000 rupees. Option number D, sir. Option number D, 5,000 rupees is your correct answer. Next one, please, sir. The measure of in radius is given. In radius is, sir, x is equal to a by 2 root 3. That is 4, sir. So a is 8 root 3. Area will be, sir, root 3 by 4 wholes, root 3 by 4 into a square. 8 root 3 into 8 root 3. This gone, sir. 8 twos are 16 into 3, 48 root 3 will be the correct answer. Option C once again. Option C once again, 48 root 3 is most definitely your correct answer. Now, if you don't know what is the formula for in radius, you will struggle. Next one, please, sir. Circle with center of two chords this such that they meet at this. Two chords XY and PQ. Acha, sir. Second theorem. Like this. They meet at Z. XY is one chord, PQ is the other chord. XY is 16. YZ is 12. PQ is 5. I don't know. I'm taking X. So the second theorem says XZ into YZ. YZ is 12. XZ is 28, sir. 16 plus 12 is equal to QZ into PZ. So QZ is X and this is X plus 5. Okay. 1 second, sir. QZ only they are asking. I have to use the options. Otherwise, I'll get into trouble. So let's do one thing, sir. 8 twos are 16. Unit digit 6. If I put 6 here, I guess 6 ही हो जाएगा. 16 into 16 plus 1 is this. 320 and, sir, 16. 336. Over here, if I do it, 280 and, sir, 56. 8531, sir, 3. Yes, sir. This is 336. This is also 336. So 16, if I put in place of X, that will give me my answer. And QZ I had taken as X only. QZ I had taken as X only, sir. Because it was a quadratic, I chose to avoid the calculations and rather put the values. Next one, please, sir. Two square pyramids have the same base area. Height is twice of this. Ratio of the volumes. Base area same, height twice, meaning, sir, area will also be twice. Ratio of their volume. Ruko. Which one is greater? First is twice, not so 2:1 will be the answer. Because 1:2 is also there. First pyramid is having the same double height, so it will have the double volume as well. Next one, sir. Following number divisible. Divisible meaning it's a LCM case. So my answer will be LCM of these 3 plus a remainder of 11. So iska LCM 3 से sir, 7, 10, 2 से sir. I don't think we can do anything. 5 8s are 40, 280 into, sir, 6. Sir, 1800 minus, sir, 12 meaning 120. 1680, sir. That is the LCM. So my answer will be, sir, I need a LCM as well. Sorry, remainder as well. So you add 11. 1691 is the answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B is most definitely your correct answer. Very simple stuff. Very, very simple stuff, right? Not very difficult. Not very difficult. Next one, please, sir. 2 to the power 38 divisible by 5, meaning, sir, this is 4 to the power 19 by 5. So remainder is minus 1 to the power 19. Odd power, meaning it is minus 1. So actual remainder will be 5 minus 1, 4, sir. So option number A is the correct answer once again. Option number A is your correct answer once again. Very simple. Again, you have to, the job was to convert this. That was the only job. Clear, sir? Next one, please. Chalo. Two circles equal this, pass through each other's center. Okay, common chord. Root 3. So these are the centers. Common chord is this. Again, remember, if you don't want to do formula, so this is an equilateral triangle always. I've drawn a very bad diagram, but still, it's an equilateral triangle. So common chord is 12 root 3, meaning this height is 6 root 3, sir. And sir, this side length is nothing but the length of the radius. So I can directly write root 3 by 2 into height. Height is r, sorry, into a, meaning this is equal to 6 root 3. So you see, because this is nothing but your height of this equilateral triangle. So root 3 cancels, r equal to 12, sir. R equal to 12 centimeter. Option number D is most definitely your correct answer. You can use this as a direct formula as well. You can direct formula, sir, if R or R is the radius, common chord length is R root 3. So you see R root 3 is 12 root 3, R root 3 cancels, R is 12. Clear, everyone? Next and the last one, sir. Numbers ascending order. Sir, again, I don't need pen paper for this. First, 0.8954. So this option I can cancel. This is 98. Then, sir, comes 9854, 9854. This option I can cancel. Then comes 9.652. So this I can cancel. Option D is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Again, it was also a 10-second question. So this week's data, this week's questions were a little bit on the easier side. That is what I felt after solving all 25. Class is hardly off. How many minutes? Not even half an hour. Right? So that will then be all. But before I go, I just want to discuss a simple thing with all of you guys. As you guys are taking the mocks on a regular basis, okay? As you are taking the mocks on a regular basis, there is something else that you should try. Please go into our website and in the test section, you will find something called, let me just select CGL Tier 1. You go into this and you will find something called this Olive score. Now, what is this Olive score? Again, my score is very low because I don't take tests. So if you go into the full report thing, you will find whatever tests of SSC CGL Tier 1 you have taken on our platform, be it live tests, be it your paid mock tests, be it free tests, anything, they will compile. So this is AI driven. The total, like, kind of everything is given, that analysis. What is your competence, coverage, consistency, speed, error, trend, all these things. So you can just go through this and it will show you the individual tests as well. You see, for me, it's only live tests. So always this is kind of this, and also you will get an advanced report from here along with your solution analysis. Also, in the recovery playlist, you will find each and every topic and what is, like, for me, these are zeros. But again, how many questions you attempted, how many you got correct, the whole analysis you will get from here. Okay. So this is the AI driven feature. I will strongly recommend all of you guys to check it out. Now, with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I will again see you guys in the next class, which will be on Wednesday. Till then, please take care everyone, and bye-bye from my end. Thank you so much for joining me.